I be sipping on haterade. That deep down get your fade. That flavor's lemonade. Squint your face when you see me play.
Yo, this one goes out to all of my critics. Don't you feel stupid? Look how I did it. Look how it came to pass when I said it. We could do debit, I don't need no credit. Yes, I'm epic, look how I rep it. It's been 8 years, but I broke the record. Yup, the record, yup, the record, yup, the record. Just for the record. I'm all that I can be, and I'll admit I'm appalled when you envy. Cause you could do it too, and you could do it too. I just happen to be the girl that they threw it to. So I'ma bounce back, and I'ma ball out. And every time you see me, I'ma go all out. And I'ma win till the ending. Don't be mad when you see me transcending. Cool.
Lift your glass, gon' lift your glass.
Let's think about the future and forget the
Everybody
past.
just lift your glass, gon' lift your glass.
The niggas think they going hard, don't make me laugh, scooch.
Dead man walking.
I'm gonna make you pay. I'm gonna wipe that smile off your face. And this is.
Can I have your attention, please?
Of course you have an email, you idiot. Just read it.
Now the whole world's gonna know what evil is. The days of Armageddon are upon us.
Nobody respects you more than I do. Your point is, tonight your partner is a larger-than-life, living legend, undisputed champion of the world.
Face.
We have no room for the weak. Only the strong shall survive.